Do you think that we are living in a male-dominated society?
Yes, I am.
No, I really don't think so.
Unfortunately, it's true.
Yes, of course.
No. No?
Yeah, sometimes.
I think yes, we are.
Yeah, of course.
Society.
Yes, we are. Not probably not in the developed towns, but when you go in the villages and all, you see a lot of this happening.
What makes you think that we're living in such a society? There are many aspects to this, be it dowry system, increasing crime rates against women, and lot many. If you list them, the list is endless.
Basically, girls are quite important now. ऐसा नहीं है कि लड़कियों को कोई भी डोमिनेट कर सकता है. उतना आसान अब नहीं रह गया. एंड दूसरा पहलू ये भी है, अगर हम दूसरा पहलू देखें तो ऐसा भी कई बार होता है कि लड़कियां भी अपनी पावर से गलत इस्तेमाल करती हैं. इट हैपन्स लाइक मिस यूज ऑफ डॉरी एक्ट एंड ऑल. आई एम नॉट सेइंग ऑल द गर्ल्स, बट ऐसा कहना जरूरी नहीं कि लड़कियां इजीली डोमिनेट की जा सकती. दे आर स्मार्ट एनफ एंड दोनों पहलू हैं उसके.
See, what I feel is, ever since we are born, like a girl is born on this planet, she's dominated first by the male members of her family. Then when she goes and gets married, then husband, in-laws. So I feel everywhere the girls being is subdued and is being subjected to a lot of atrocities. So yeah.
Well, actually, like from the even in our country in Spain, we still could get like little bit, no, from the past in a small village or whatever. But of course, it's growing up much better, no. And the situation of the woman is nothing at all like comparing with countries as India or Nepal or countries here. Especially in India now, the situation that is going on here, it's for us like terrible, no, and makes me feel very sad and alert about that.
Maybe यार हमारा जो कल्चर है ना इंडिया का, शायद ये ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबल है इन सब चीज़ों के लिए. एंड इसमें जो मेन कॉज है वो है इलिटरेसी. जब तक लोग जो है लिटरेट नहीं होंगे शायद, एंड आई एम सॉरी टू से दैट कि जो लिटरेट पीपल्स हैं ना, मैं अभी इनसे बात कर रहा था न्यू जनरेशन से, उनमें भी मुझे कुछ ऐसा नज़र नहीं आ रहा कि शायद वो ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हैं कि जो वुमेंस के लिए, क्योंकि बहुत से ऐसे केसेस देखने में आते हैं और उससे लगता है कि यार जो सिर्फ लिटरेट पीपल्स जो हैं, इलिटरेट पीपल जो हैं वही इसके लिए जिम्मेदार नहीं है, लिटरेट भी काफ़ी जिम्मेदार है.
नो, गर्ल्स आर फ्री. यू आर सीन सब कुछ चल रहा है ऐसा करके मैंने लगता नहीं कि डोमिनेशन है किसी से.
See, like in my office, few people think that the female can't do some sort of work and they don't go outside. So, but I don't think so. We can do that also.
Because when we go there, we see so many cases like on TV in Crime Patrol and all that men are dominating women.
Okay.
Like they are still in the orthodox state.
And it's pretty much evident from our daily, you come across so many news items, so many events and occurrences happening which are against women. Men just seem to think that, you know, being the stronger sex, they have an advantage over women, which is a very primitive thought, and it is predominantly a male dominant society.
How do you think that we can curb such a disease?
Things like that, you're doing a very good job right now. And moreover, women should, you know, stand on themselves. They should get educated, brave. They should have the, you know, the guts to just go and slap the person if they're doing anything. So that's the way we can probably.
I think all of this comes with a lot of awareness and education. I think when people will be educated, they'll realize the importance of girl child in the society and that she's at par with the other male counterparts. I'm pretty sure that.
See, a very common answer would be education, but we come across a lot of educated people as well these days who still believe that, you know, women they should be confined to the kitchens, they should be in a domesticated roles. So instead of educating just on, you know, subjects and studies, it has to be more towards a holistic education comprising of your, you know, societal values, moral values. It has to be, there has to be some decorum, there has to be some notion of equality among men and women. आजकल हम देखते हैं कि फेमिनिज्म का इतना वो चल रहा है. People think that feminism is confined to, you know, male bashing, when actually feminism means equality among both the genders.
So what do you? Well, I think the government really has to take a strong part of this issue, because it's the woman really needs support in that side. You know, like if the government is not supporting 100% them with the law and everything, how the women are going to, you know, complain about the rapes and everything. You know, the government has to be there and has to support them 100%. And has to, the education is it's basic, you know, like from the very beginning. I think in India, in my case, or my experience is like my girls in Kolkata, they eat after the boys in the house. You know, they born thinking that the boys has to eat before them because they are more important in the family. So they really have to work there. No, boys and girls has the same, you know. Not boys are more important than girls in the family. So it's a base problem from the very beginning. So the education it's the most, it's the key of everything.
लोगों को जो है थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा जागरूक करें इस बारे में, थोड़ा सा लोगों को बताएं, बट जो अंदर है उसको कैसे निकल पाओगे? वो तो नहीं निकलेगा ना। मैं आपके सामने बड़े अच्छे से बात कर रहा हूँ और वापस जाके मैं यही करता हूँ। मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर हैविंग डबल स्टैंडर्ड। मैं भी इनको बता रहा था, बड़े अच्छी पोस्ट पर जॉब कर रहे हैं लोग, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, सब कुछ है, लेकिन रात को ड्रिंक करने के बाद वो अपनी बीवी के साथ मारपीट। मतलब मुझे लगता है कि सबसे पहले हमारे यहाँ जब तक 100% लिटरेसी नहीं आएगी, एक तो ये बहुत बड़ा काम है।
Maybe the main thing is changing the mindset of men, the elderly and everybody, and educating them about how important the safety of a woman is, and what all can lead to, like if the women are, even the women should be aware of things. They should fight for their rights, and once the mindset of people changes in the whole country, definitely this problem will be curbed.